Beautiful day in the outdoor office. I'm working here under the trees, keeping out the heat, which is always a good thing when you're chainsaw carving. And just got this stag's head, a couple more coats of oil to do on him before he's ready to deliver. Plenty going on at the moment though. Got my little chick friends wandering around. Here's his stag's head though, he's looking quite good. Just absorbing some Danish oil before I deliver him. And today I'm working on a gate post before it gets installed. So I had to dig myself it's an 8-foot post. I had to dig a 2-foot hole in the ground and just make myself a little rig to hold it up while I carve this little owl on top. And I've done a bit of time lapse on how we got this far, but he's getting there, looking good. Also been working on this this old bear here. He's a Derwent Bay bear, bit of a classic, must be at least 20 years old. Just been giving him a bit of a refurb. He was in a bit of a sorry state, needed some new feet, so he's got some new feet. That was his old feet. Yeah, not much left of them. I think he definitely had his wear out of those. So he's got some nice new stable ones. He was quite rotten at the bottom actually, so he's had a hip replacement and in fact most of his leg replaced, both sides. Fresh coat of paint, bit of a clean up, and he'll be ready to go home soon. But he's up and about and feeling much better.